In a land far, far away, nestled between towering mountains, there existed a kingdom once vibrant and warm. But now, it is trapped in an eternal winter, where the sun barely shines, and the people are shrouded in cold and despair. This is the story of two sisters, Lena and Mila, who would embark on a journey to restore peace and warmth to their beloved snowy kingdom. The kingdom's endless winter began when the mischievous frost spirit cast a powerful spell, freezing everything in its path. The once thriving gardens, bustling streets, and lively rivers now lie silent under layers of ice. But hope still flickered in the hearts of Lena and Mila, the daughters of Queen Alara, who herself had fallen victim to the frost spirit's curse. And so, the sisters made a vow. Together, they would embark on a perilous journey to find the heart of winter, the source of the frost spirit's power, and end the curse that plagued their land. Lena and Mila packed what little they could carry, warm clothes, provisions, and a map their mother had given them before she was enchanted. The map hinted at the location of the heart of winter, hidden deep within the treacherous mountains that surrounded their kingdom. Their journey took them through dense, snow-covered forests, over icy rivers, and across windswept plains. At times, the cold seemed unbearable, but the sisters pressed on, driven by their love for each other and their determination to save their kingdom. Days turned into weeks as the sisters traveled deeper into the mountains. Finally, they reached the entrance to a dark cave, known in legends as the Cave of Whispers. It was said that inside, one could hear the voices of those who had succumbed to the frost spirit's curse, their whispers guiding those who seek to undo the magic. As they ventured further into the cave, the whispers grew louder, filling their minds with doubt and fear. But the sisters held on to each other, their bond of love keeping them strong. The whispers tried to tear them apart, to sow seeds of doubt in their hearts, but the sisters' love for each other and their unwavering resolve overcame the fear. The whispers faded, and they found themselves in a grand chamber, at the center of which stood the heart of winter. The frost spirit's chilling laughter echoed through the chamber as the sisters stood before it. But instead of fear, they felt a warmth growing within them, a warmth born from their love for each other and their kingdom. The light of their love and unity grew stronger, overpowering the icy magic of the frost spirit. The heart of winter began to crack under the force of their combined strength, its cold energy fading away. With the destruction of the heart of winter, the frost spirit was vanquished, and its hold over the kingdom was broken. The cave began to warm, and the sisters knew they had won. As Lena and Mila emerged from the cave, they were greeted by a sight they hadn't seen in months, the sun breaking through the clouds, melting the snow and ice that had covered their kingdom. The kingdom began to thaw, its vibrant colors returning. The people rejoiced as the sun warmed their land once more. Lena and Mila returned to the castle, where their mother, Queen Alara, was waiting for them, free from the frost spirit's curse. And so, the snowy kingdom was restored to its former glory. The people and the land flourished under the warm sun, and the story of Lena and Mila became a legend, passed down through generations, a reminder that love and unity can overcome even the coldest of winters. And so ends the tale of the snowy kingdom, where two sisters proved that the warmth of love is the greatest power of all.